now we can figure the slope, which is the same thing as the rate of change, by doing the height, which is 2. Notice that that's equal to the change on the y-axis, and the width, which is 5 spaces. So then your slope is rise over run, which is 2 over 5. If you look at the next page, for number 51, it tells you that it is parallel to y equals negative 1/4 x minus 2 and has an x-intercept of 4. Okay? Parallel lines have equal slopes, so our slope has to be the same slope. An x-intercept is a point, just like a y-intercept is a point. But x-intercept is not in one of our formulas, so we have to treat this as a point. If it's an x-intercept, then that means it touches x 4, which means the y has to be 0. If you go back in your notes and look at intercepts, either x or y1 is 0. Then we can use the point-slope form of a line. So this point is x1, y1. So we have y minus 0 equals negative 1/4 x minus 4. Now distribute. So you have y minus 0 equals negative 1/4 x plus 1. Then add 0 to both sides. So your equation is y equals negative 1/4 x plus 1. Sorry, that's pretty sloppy there, but hopefully you can read it. If you look at number 64, it says that it passes through the points -2, -4, and 1, 8. So we need to label this x1, y1, x2, y2. If we're not given a slope, we have to calculate the slope first. So if you'll glance back at the slope formula, it says to do y2, which is 8, minus y1, which is -4, over x2, which is 1, minus, because it's in the formula, -2 because it's x1. 8 minus -4 is 12. 1 minus -2 is 3. So your slope is 4. So now we have a slope and we have 2 points. So we can use point-slope form, which is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. I encouraged you at the time, and I will continue to encourage you to use the x1 and y1 that you already have labeled. So you have y minus y1 is -4 equals, the slope is 4, times x minus, and x1 is -2. Well, minus a minus is a plus. X minus a minus is plus 2. Now we need to distribute. 4 times x is 4x, and 4 times 2 is 8. Now subtract 4 from both sides. So you have y equals 4x plus 4. I believe that's